How to send HD photos on Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wondering how you can follow up the simple steps. So for that, you can go ahead and open up Messenger in your device first. And once you open it up, you should be finding chats on your home screen. So all you gotta do in order to send HD photos head over to a chat first. And once you head over to the chat, in the bottom of your screen, you should be finding camera and gallery option. All you gotta do is tap on gallery. And before you select up a picture, in this top, you should be finding HD option. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, you can scroll down and you can select up the photo that you would like to send. For example, let's say this photo right here. Tap on it, and if not from this option, you can tap on edit option in the bottom. After that, here also you should be finding HD quality option. You can go ahead and tap on it. After that, hit send. So that's it for now. That is how you basically send HD photos on Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.